Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lena's channel. I am her daughter Deejay. I'm taking over her video today because she's in the hospital. So I'm making a video today, and I know a lot of people have been asking me to cook something on her channel. So today I am making lasagna. I have my sauce. I already made the sauce. I put this turkey ground meat. I got rails, marinara. I put onions and bell peppers in the sauce, and I put what she always used: onion powder, garlic powder, complete, black pepper, and I put basil and Italian seasoning in there. So that's that's the sauce. Okay, so now y'all, here is mine. This is the ricotta cheese. Okay, so I got it in here, and I'm finna crack an egg and put it in here. Okay, so I'm finna mix this up. I hope everyone is having a good day today, and y'all keep the prayers up for Miss Lena because she's in the hospital, and I'm sure she's gonna be in there another day. She's been in the hospital since Sunday, so this is why I'm on her channel taking over for today. So okay, y'all, so I'm finna use my Rio's marinara, and I'm finna put some at the bottom. Quick and easy, y'all. Quick and easy recipe. Okay, we're gonna put that at the bottom. Hope y'all can see. Okay, we're gonna put that at the bottom of the pan. Okay, got that. Gonna rub it all the way at the bottom. Okay, y'all, and I got the burrito, the oven ready lasagna, so I don't have to boil it. Like I said, it's a quick and easy meal. So we're gonna take our shells and put them down on the first layer. Okay. We're gonna build it up, y'all. We're gonna build up the lasagna. Okay. The way the pan is made. She has a square pan. Oh, I don't know what a square pan is. The big square pan. Oh, I used the wrong pan. Oh well. We're gonna make this do what it do. I should have used a square pan. Okay, y'all, hold on. This name. Okay, y'all, I got the square pan what I needed. So this is the right pan. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put some ricotta down next. Ricotta cheese, y'all. Let's say it's a very quick meal. Especially you'll have a lot of time. Okay. Uh-oh. God, bear with me. I ain't made a video in a long time. Okay, now we're gonna put our meat sauce on there. And when I told you it's turkey ground meat, I used 2 pounds. I may not even need all of it, but I got 2 pounds of turkey ground meat. I got my ricotta cheese. Okay. Can y'all see? All right. Alrighty, y'all. Next is our cheese. And I just got some Amazon. Triple cheddar cheese blend. So we're gonna put this on top. All right. We're gonna put this on top. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to put another layer of shells on top of that. Just the shells. Okay. So we have that on. Now we're going to put another layer of the ricotta cheese. Let me get a spatula, y'all. I'm going to have to use both of them. Hold on. Put in the ricotta cheese. Then I'm going to mix it up real good. Okay. Make sure it's mixed. The egg mixed in there good, please. So we're going to put more ricotta cheese on top of here. We want it good and cheesy. Good and cheesy, y'all. And I know a lot of people prefer not to put it on there, but I just think that what makes the lasagna is the ricotta. But use what you like. We always say, use what you like. Okay? Now, another layer of meat sauce. And you can use beef, pork, whatever you use. I'm just using turkey because I eat beef or pork. So I'm using turkey. And it's 2 pounds of turkey. And like I said, I may not even need all of it, but I want to be safe. So I use the 2 pounds. Okay. More cheese on top of that. Okay, y'all, I bought 3 bags of this 8-ounce cheese mix. So I bought 3 bags. And again, I may not need all 3 bags. We just gonna see. Okay. And put more cheese on top of that. So again, we want it cheesy. We want cheesy lasagna. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna put one more layer of lasagna on top of that. The lasagna shells. One more layer. Okay. And I got 2 boxes of these, so I'm just taking probably 3 out of this box. Okay. So, put this over here out the way. And we're going to put some more ricotta on top of this. Y'all, sorry. I ain't did this in a long time. A little nervous. But we're going to get through it. Like I said, y'all, this is Miss Lena's 5th anniversary being on YouTube. And tomorrow is June 10th. She put her first video up on YouTube. So I'm just doing this for right now because she's still in the hospital. And we're going to hope and pray that she will be home tomorrow. She's been there since Sunday. So everyone that knows have prayed and for everything for her. I appreciate you. I really do. So we're going to get all of this goodness we're going to use. Okay. So that's 3 layers of noodles, y'all. So now we're finna put some more sauce on there. Like I said, use your ricotta. We want it to be real cheesy and goodness. Okay. It's gonna be so good, y'all. Okay. Now we're gonna put some more sauce on it. Some more sauce, and then we'll put some cheese, and then it's gonna go in the oven again. Now, y'all, the meat sauce, I put onion powder, garlic powder, complete, basil, and some Italian seasoning in it. And then I put some bell peppers and onions. So the sauce is delicious. So okay, y'all. Hey. It's gonna be good, y'all. Okay. And see, it's very quick to make. Once you get all your stuff, the longest part is cooking your meat and cutting your vegetables and stuff to go in the meat. So we finna do this thing, y'all. Hold on. We're gonna put some more cheese on there. And we're finna put it in the oven. And we're gonna put it in the oven for, we're gonna start at 30 minutes, and if it ain't done, then I'll let y'all know the exact time it cooked for. And our last bag of cheese, which I could have bought a big bag, but it's okay. These were just $1 something in Amazon, so it's all good. Want that much, y'all? Say, quick meal on the budget. That's what we doing. Quick meal on the budget. So yeah. No, I didn't put gloves on, but my hands is clean. Trust and believe that. Okay. So this is 3 layers. And I will be back, y'all. Once it get done, I'll be back. And thank you for letting me steal Miss Lena's kitchen make a video today for y'all. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, welcome back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished here's the finish of the lasagna. Y'all, it's really good. Here it is right here, as y'all can see. It's plenty. It's not dry at all. In fact, it is delicious, y'all. It's so good. And I hope y'all make this. Is so good. And I hope y'all get all this goodness out of there. Okay, y'all. So this is the lasagna. It is so good, y'all. And I hope y'all make some. It is delicious, delicious. Again, y'all please keep granting y'all prayers. Pray for healing. Pray for strength. Pray for good peace of mind that she is definitely in. And I thank y'all for letting me take over Miss Lena's station. And sorry about the film. I filmed it the wrong angle. So that's why it looks like that. And that's why the end is like this. But y'all, let me taste it for y'all. And I use her. Y'all, this is delicious. Delicious. And again, Good. The recipe will be in the description box, y'all. Anybody want to make it? It's so good. All right, thank y'all. Love y'all. And please keep the prayers up for Miss Lena. We appreciate you.